One of the world's most beautiful dancers isn't human, it's a bird. Male birds of paradise, found in New Guinea and nearby islands, are famous for their extraordinary courtship displays. They spread their brilliantly colored feathers, hop, twist, and dance in mesmerizing routines to attract females. Some even create elaborate dance stages by clearing leaves and decorating the ground. Their feathers shimmer in shades of blue, yellow, orange, and black, forming patterns unlike any other in the animal kingdom. These displays are so stunning that they've fascinated explorers, scientists, and filmmakers for centuries. The bird of paradise truly represents nature's artistry at its finest. Subscribe for more dazzling stories about wildlife that will amaze you.